Jpac, as a talkative, as who know tomorrow, he's supposed to tell the whole world that I'm doing bad that time. Am I wrong or right? But suddenly, as an greedy man, he is. When Jpac heard that many people used to give content creator car and many things, he doesn't know the contract between two of them. He now asking me for car, that I must give him car by fire, by force. Those who hear Igbo used to hear the time that I used to say it. Someone that will work for you and he has agreement with you, does that person, once you pay the person, does that person have any right to request that you can build a mansion for him or you can put a car for him? Is it the right thing? Once he doesn't have a car, he doesn't have a house, he just renovates his father's house. He's supposed to wait for his own time, not for him to be disturbing Chief Akuanarata. That is a by fire, by force for him to get a car for him. That doesn't work. I have a family. That is why he connived with this guy, this ex-convict. What is his name? Governor Ugo. Some people, he just answered Governor Eziokwu, but his name is confirmed Governor Ugo. He's an ex-convict. I can prove that and tell you his commitment. Jpac, nwoke na-ara n'ike ekwesịghị ka ọ pụta na-ekwu okwu n'Igbo ọra. Achọ m kọrọ na eze ndị Igbo. Governor Sorudo, Your Excellency, I greet you once again. I greet the whole Anambra government. I greet the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Governor Sorudo, I like your work. Everything is going perfectly. I'm not a kidnapper. I'm not a frauder. I'm not a rich. Whatever the name may, I'm not that. But eventually, tupu mmadụ asị na onye amere ibe dị ntụ ya wepụta evidence. Tupu mmadụ asị na ebe a dị ka ebe a ya wepụta evidence. Mmadụ achọna because of na ọchọ ka ego ya moto. Nekwa onye a na-akpọ Gọvanọ Okwu asị na-aza Gọvanọ Eziokwu kedu onye mụ ya ex-convict. Mana ebe a na-ekwu ibe ana m enye aka ka Gọvanọ Imo State tie ya anya. Ọ kpọgo m n'ọnụ too much. Biko achọm ka unu tie ya anya. Achọm ka unu tie ya anya. Because mmadụ agaghị apụta ka ị na-emebi afọ mmadụ ibie. Igbo bụ Igbo unu mana arụsị na-eme exist. Igbo ọbụla bụ onye Igbo, onye ọbụla bụ onye Igbo mana arụsị na-eme exist. Agba ga akwụkwọ na arụsị ma ekweghị abịa, o nwere onye ga-eji stọpụ. Until enwe nsogbu dapụtara gị na-eje. Mma akpọ ịnyịnya gbada mmiri mana mma afọ ọsụ ya ka ọ ṅụọ mmiri. Ndị be anyị bụ Igbo ọ bụ na-asị. Ọ bụ ihe ọjọọ. Kedu iwe this guy na-akpọrọ m, this ex-convict. Jpac kpọpụtara ya ka a na-agba onye na-ori onwe ya mgba.
Okay, their selfish interest.
Because of their selfish interest.
Thank you all for watching. Please stay connected on this channel and share this video. Subscribe. Thank you for watching.